Oh my God, that was so exciting. So the True guy is on his way, the install guy for the fiber optic internet, which is amazing. If he can install this, and I think he can, because they've installed stuff for me before in Bangkok and they were amazing, as was AIS. But it's 599 baht a month for 500 megabits symmetrical. So 500 megabits up, 500 megabits down, which translates to like less than $18 a month. Amazing. And when the install basically costs 860 baht. So it's gonna cost me like 27 bucks for the guy to install it and like 18 bucks a month for solid glass to this room, which is great because the internet right now like cuts out all the time. So anyway, he's on his way. I'll update you guys as he gets here and as he's doing his install. This is very exciting for me. It might not be for you, but for an engineer, this is very exciting that I'm actually gonna get solid glass internet to my studio, to my radio station, to my transmitter site. I'll update you soon. I came back in to get my hat because it's hot and sunny out. So honey, I'm putting my hat on, fear not. Ah, this is so exciting. You guys have no idea how exciting having a transmitter that is actually on the air that you can connect to via fiber optics. Oh my God, this is gonna be one of the top 10 best days of my life. Arguably best day of my life when I got sober. Second best day of my life when I married Gracie. When we got married as a team. We're Team Mackie. All right, True Fiber coming soon. So the True guys are here and they're looking around and they're just doing a whole lot of head shaking. So I'm bummed. If they can get it in, I mean, I know it's a far run over here, but I'm really hoping, because with fiber internet, that would just help us huge here. A 5G router is like 8,000 baht, which is literally like twice the cost of the annual cost of fiber. So anyway, we'll see. Maybe there'll be an additional installation charge, which I'm totally okay with as long as it gets done, but I'm praying to Buddha at this point. We'll see. Awesome news. We have gigabit fiber, but I'm too cheap, so I've only got 500 megabits symmetrical, which is amazing. And I've actually been using it. I transferred like 17 gigs of songs and stuff. But they did a pretty nice install. I mean, you gotta consider where we are, right? I'm in the chicken coop and they ran the fiber all the way in here. I'll show you where it's coming from outside, but I was very, very happy. These guys did a wonderful install. Didn't take them that long at all. And you know, they did I mean, considering what was around, they attached to what was available. And it's interesting, it's like the fiber is 3 conductors. It's obviously the 2, you know, transmit, receive, but then you can probably see up there how they use another one for tension, basically, so they can run it, and they run it all the way there, and then it goes all the way along that wall and up and over this roof and then over to a pole over there. So ingenious. The install was 860 baht, which basically is approximately $25. And as mentioned, it's about $17, $18 a month. So good stuff. So I'm very happy. Hi, how are you? Saudi Cop. You guys want to be on YouTube? So anyway, so this is pretty cool. And oh, I noticed some twigs up there, some dead branches. I gotta pull those down so they don't get on my coax. They don't get on my feed line. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. I haven't done a video in forever, and I don't even know where this is gonna go up. I guess live my ass off. Maybe it'll be on either there or up on but oh, I got the automation system running here, which is pretty awesome too. So I got this, and then I got a backup. So I got a main and a backup. I have my main internet, and then I have my backup internet, and I have my spiritual Garuda, which is great. But I got webcams, fan. I mean, I'm getting there. And it's pretty good, because it's June 3rd, right? So it's like day 3. So yeah, good stuff. Stay tuned for more updates about 95 FM The Spot. And for more music and awesomeness, just go to thespot.fm. Tell your friends. Ciao. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.